What's important here, you guys, is that 50% gross profit is location neutral. I'm not telling the guy in Boise to go sell this job here that is a 50% at $1,500 and something and change. This is why it's important to understand what your costs are. Fighters, are you still wondering if it's possible for you to sell your work at a 50% gross profit in your area? I have been banging this drum here in the contractor fight for pretty close to 8, 9, 10 years, something like that. And one of the most common things that I hear is you can't get a 50% in my area, Tom. There's no way I could sell the project for 50 grand in my area like the guy across the country is. And he's got special circumstances in his favor. Hey, the fastest way to make more money in your business is to raise your gross profit. That's why I want you to go grab our 50% profit tool for you. It's free. Grab it, and on your very next project, you will make more money if you do what we tell you to do on there. Grab it now. Let's go. First, I want to define gross profit so we're all on the same page. Your gross profit is what's left over after you produce a job. Let's say you sell a job for $10,000 and it costs you $7,000 to produce it. You got $3 grand left. That $3,000 in this case is a 30% gross profit. That's what you have left to pay the bills in your business, the overhead of your business. We're on the same page with that. I want to dig into why it is possible for you to charge 50% gross profit or more for the work that you're doing in your area. First thing to understand here, guys, is that costs of living are different in different regions of the country. So I'm going to give you a little math example here to show you. So if I live in New York City, and let's talk painting contractor. This is my old world as a painting contractor. If I live in New York City and I'm a painter, the average hourly wage right now, I just Googled it, for a painter in New York City, $31.70 an hour, because they have to pay that much because it costs more to live in New York City. So that painter who's being paid an average of $31, $32 an hour, if you got a 24-hour man-hour job times $31.77, that comes out to a labor cost of $763. That's what it's costing you to paint the rooms. 3 guys for a day, 24 man hours, whatever, you figure it out. On the other side, you got Boise, Idaho over here. The average wage for a painter right now in Boise is $19.19 an hour. You take those same 24 hours times $19.19, your labor for that job costs you $460. Think about that. That's a $303 difference on labor, which is about 29% less in labor in Boise than it is in New York City. Now let's take this same job and you add $300 for paint. Let's just say the paint is $300 in both locations. This job in New York City is costing me $1,063 to do it. You add the $300 in material, you add $763 in labor, you get $1,063 over here. Same job, $300 in material, but less labor. It's costing me $760 to do the job in Boise. Here's the 50%. You take those costs of goods sold to produce the job, multiply it by 2. When you multiply by 2, you are now selling, you are priced at a 50% gross profit. What's important here, you guys, is that 50% gross profit is location neutral. I'm not telling the guy in Boise to go sell this job here that is a 50% at $1,500 and something and change for $2,600 or $2,200. This is why it's important to understand what your costs are. No more of this BS about you can't get 50% in my area. Both these jobs were priced at a 50% gross profit. It just depends on what it costs you to produce the job. And you got to hit those man hours and it's game on. The real reason that you are not selling your jobs at a 50% gross profit is you. It's you. You're the reason. It's not who's in the White House. It's not the illegal competitors. It's not your competitors that don't know their numbers. It's none of those things. It's simply the fact that you do not have the tools and the training that it takes to get your mind right and get your math right so that you can sell these projects for an amount that is going to serve you and your family, put more money in your pocket, and keep you from racing to the bottom like everybody else in the industry. So here's my ask of you guys. Short and sweet today. Go to thecontractorfight.com/50. We have a tool there for you. It's totally free. Grab it and start inputting your costs. And when you do that, there's going to be a multiplier thing there where you get to put in your multiplier and you can sell it whatever gross profit you want to sell it at. It's math. It will tell you the truth. Then your job is to produce the project in the man hours that you budgeted and the material costs that you budgeted by good management of your projects, so that on the back end, when the job is done, you're walking away with at least 50% gross profit. I know this is going to help you if you implement it. Grab the sheet now at thecontractorfight.com/50. Share this with another contractor. You guys rock. I got to roll. I'm out.